In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn company page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, part of a larger corporation, or representing an educational institution, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can create a professional and engaging presence on LinkedIn. First, go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, as this is the first crucial step in setting up your company's page. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage, and you'll notice a grid icon labeled Work. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu filled with various LinkedIn features. From this menu, you'll want to select Create a Company Page. This option is specifically designed for creating a unique identity for your business on LinkedIn. After selecting this, you'll be prompted to choose the type of page you'd like to create. You have a few options here. If you're a small business, go with that. If you're part of a medium or large business, that's an option too. You can also create a showcase page, ideal for highlighting specific aspects of your business or projects, or an educational institution page for schools or universities. Next, you'll need to fill in your company details. This step is vital as it forms the foundation of your online presence. Start by entering your company name, which will also determine your unique LinkedIn URL. Make sure to add your website link if you have one, as this drives traffic to your main site. Don't forget to specify your industry to help LinkedIn categorize your profile correctly. Also, upload your company logo. This will be the first impression visitors have of your brand, so ensure it's professional and high resolution. Once you've completed all the required fields, there will be a verification box that you need to check, confirming you have the right to act on behalf of the company. Checking this box is crucial as it forms a legal acknowledgement of ownership. With everything in order, go ahead and click the Create Page button. Congratulations, you've just created a LinkedIn company page. But before you share this with your network, take a moment to customize it further. Add a visually appealing banner to your page. This could be an image that represents your brand or highlights your core values. Write a compelling company description to give viewers better insight into what your business is about. You can also add other details such as office locations, company specialties, and a call to action. And there you have it, your LinkedIn company page is now live. Keep it updated regularly with posts and updates to maximize engagement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you build your company's presence on LinkedIn with ease.